Today I'm going to be making homemade hamburgers, and for this hamburger recipe we are using 1 pound of ground beef, a half of a white onion diced up, 1 egg, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and salt and spices. So we'll mix that up. We're going to be cooking these in the air fryer, so I'll go ahead and get the air fryer ready to cook. Now that all that's been mixed together, we're going to form them into patties while the air fryer continues to prepare itself. So I've got the hamburger patties in the air fryer now. I do like to make mine a little bit thinner because they are going to plump up when they start cooking. It also helps them to cook a little bit faster. So in the air fryer, these need only about 8 minutes from start to finish. So I'll stop it at about 4 minutes, flip them, and then let them finish up. So just flip the hamburgers over. As you can see, they've shrunk it up quite a bit smaller than they were, but pretty much almost cooked, and you can see the nice little grill marks on the back side of them. So I'm gonna let them cook for the rest of the time and take them out in a minute. So 8 minutes over, hamburgers are all done, so we're gonna get these guys plated up and ready to eat. So we got that guy all done up, and now we're just gonna add a side of home fries to make it. So we got that all done up, now it's time to eat.